আজি পিছৰলা सबसे পলা খবৰটি Thursday din labor of Assam State Wokha District of Nagaland Red Hole Coal Mine laga কাম কৰি থকা তামটি 6 জন মৰি যায়গেনা আৰু 4 জন জখম পাই যা ইস্যুটি মাইন লাga মালিক দুজন এৰেষ্ট কৰিছে কৈকিনা অফিচিয়েল খবৰ পাই লৈ আছে sources te itu achanak hatsa karni neighboring Assam State labor laga family khan ki afsos ani disha aro report e hatsa tu Ruchonyan bosti under ti murija miners 6 jon aro jokhum paina thakya 4 jon iman deep tunnel phitor gushigena kam kri thakya damte dangor awas ulagena phuti jaisha aro ju ulai jagena landslide ahi jaise ko ase itu karni ulabole napargena murija report dia ase khoborte hatsa tu 2 baje sam inika tamte thaksha aro mechanical failure hoja issueti red hole chenda phitobra phuti jaisha aro victim khan sob Sonapur district of Assam State manu thaksha aro hatsa oporti Wokha district SP Sorisoke kodia asapti jokhum pargena thakya rescue kurula 4 jon tu Dimapur district Panchayat digena davoi lui ase aro hatsa hoa area ti state disaster response force aro medical team khan dispatch kuri dishe ko ase aro mine cholai thakya malik dujon arrest kuri dia toili red mine laga chinda ti unsafe working condition dug without safety measures jobor-josti iman lamba tunnel phitorte kam kuri thakya karni thori loigena huta huti kuri thakya khobor pai loi ase Dimapur district sports complex stadium te ja kali 75th republic day mangila opor addressing ti deputy chief minister T.R. Zlen koidia asaptu naga manukhan sobra naga political issue jane ase itu karni Nagaland government khan ti stakeholders khan sobki naga political issue karni milikena ekbar final push digena bishi deri rukhi aha political solution anibole statement dia ase T.R. Zlen pi ko ase ki best effort aro good wish sob manu laga concern kugena ja ase ulipi naga issue fesla kurbole napara nimiti stakeholders khan tu iki phapna loigena central government opor awas uthai dibole koi dia ase aro report ti T.R. Zlen koi dia asapti Nagaland state to special constitutional safeguard karni cultural identity aro interest of naga manu protect kuri ase aro state phitorti nation bra loigena development activity jai thakya ko di sholipi historical and geographical factor ti part of state especially eastern Nagaland area region ti development neglected kuri ahi jaise ko di ase aro Manipur state ja kali 75 republic day celebration ti mixed response rakhigena tricolor host kurlose kili 18 hours general strike mati dia karni valley district ti normal life effect kurgena honor of celebration Kangala Fort Imphal ti rakhilose ja kali 18 hours total shutdown mati aha oporti coordination committee dukan aro business establishment khan sob Imphal city phitorti ban rakhilose aro ja kali laga shutdown ti coordination committee aro alag group khan tu republic day celebration boycott karni phapna de ban rakhi disha aro response of appeal hesabti 6 student bodies khan tu black flag display kurgena boycott demand thakshe kili Manipur state ti 200 opor manukhan muri jagena thakya tu Indian government responsible karni thagise kurgena awas uthai dia ase ja kali Manipur state phitorti disabled development association Manipur aro wheelchair basketball association khanrapi agya ahine BJP negligence karni ja sal mein 3 tarik laga hamla rukhabole naparigena jai thakya BJP government opor accuse kuri dia ase Nagaland state Dimapur Kohima macheti railway line connection loigena jai thakya humoiti northeast frontier railway NFR khantu recently milestone dangor achievement rakhilogina second phase of project construction khotom kurlose ko ase. North East Frontier Railway Chief PRO laga statement ti tunnel number 4 Molvom Firma station measures of 1319 meters lamba 151 meter cut and cover January 24 tarik khotom kurlose aro itu to second longest tunnel phase 2 project ja thaka report dia ase.